Mitsubishi Electric Cooling and Heating is once more advancing the way to cool and heat your home. Introducing the next generation, ultra-efficient indoor cooling and heating technology, the KJ Series floor-mounted indoor units featuring HyperHeat H2i technology. Perfect for single-zone or multi-zone applications, the KJ floor-mounted indoor consoles are a perfect addition to virtually any room in your home. Placed low on the wall, the stylish, low-profile MFC KJ allows complete customization for ultimate comfort. Equipped with a multi-flow vane function, warm air is blown in both an upward and downward direction, providing even and unparalleled heating performance while maintaining maximum energy efficiency for low indoor temperature starts. The KJ's fast heating, ultra-efficient system works by angling the multi-flow vane to direct warm air down into the return vent of the unit. The air is then reheated before being released into the room through the top portion of the multi-flow vane. By leveraging the KJ's multi-flow vane technology, this process significantly reduces the time required to heat the room, ensuring you always enjoy superior warmth and comfort. System benefits include available in multiple capacities and ENERGY STAR certified, allows for heating and cooling of an entire room, unique configuration featuring a flat, stylish look for any room, features a 2-block structure to accommodate various installation patterns with optional wall recessing ability. Ingenious symmetrical design results in a low-profile air inlet and removable base section. The KJ Series floor-mounted indoor unit is just part of the vast array of residential products. Whether you need a single zone or complete multi-zone solution, Mitsubishi Electric Cooling and Heating has a product solution to fit your home comfort needs. For more information on the MFC KJ Series indoor unit, please visit us online at MitsubishiComfort.com. Mitsubishi Electric Cooling and Heating. Make comfort personal.